Ndewo, kekime, aha m bụ Ijeoma Akubue, onye na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo. Okay, my name is Ijeoma and I bring you Igbo teaching. Okay, today I will advise you to just hold on to the end of the video, okay, because I got an invitation for you at the end. So, ihe anyị ga-ekwu maka ya taa bụ Thanksgiving, okay? Because American Thanksgiving holiday is coming up, I want to show you how to make Thanksgiving in Igbo, as in say Thanksgiving in Igbo, okay? I mean, say thanks. All right? Thanksgiving in Igbo, Kaigemeta, okay? So, when you want to give thanks, okay, and you want to say maybe you're seated, you're about to eat, and you want to say, I give thanks for, okay? In Igbo, that's na-enye ekele maka. Na-enye ekele maka. And that means I give thanks for. And then you fill it in with what you're giving thanks for, okay? And if you don't know how to say the rest of it in Igbo, you can say it in English. But to start it in Igbo, na-enye ekele maka. Okay? Na-enye ekele maka dim is I'm thankful for my husband. Na-enye ekele maka umum, I'm thankful for my children. Na-enye ekele maka nne na nna, I'm thankful for my parents, or I give thanks for my parents. Okay? So again, na-enye ekele maka is I give thanks for. Okay? And if you want to say we give thanks for, anyị na-enye ekele maka. Anyị, that's we. Anyị na-enye ekele maka. We give thanks for. Okay? And then you proceed to say things that you're thankful for. Okay? Right? Shall I go over it again? I give thanks for is na-enye ekele maka. Na-enye ekele maka. Okay? Because ekele is another word for thanks. Okay? Ekele can mean two things. It can mean thanks. It can mean greetings. I know there are other words for thanks, which I'll come to in a moment. But ekele in this instance means thanks or thanksgiving. Okay? And bear in mind that it also means greeting. If you see me saying ekele when I'm talking about greetings. So, na-enye ekele maka, I am thankful for. Okay? I give thanks for. Anyị na-enye ekele maka, we give thanks for. Anyị na-enye ekele maka. Okay? Fine. Let me come to those other words you probably know, which are the words we use to say thank you in Igbo. Words like daalụ, imeela, imene, mama, deme. Okay, these are words from different dialects, but the central one, Igbo is Ugbe. Central Igbo, there's two, daalụ and imeela. Okay, so the way to say it, if you wanted to make that sentence, it would be, I want to say thanks. That would be, na-asị daalụ maka. Okay, that's a different way now to say it. Na-asị daalụ maka. I am saying thanks for that. Okay, or if you want to say, I am saying thank you to God, na-asị Chukwu daalụ maka. Na-asị Chukwu daalụ maka. Chukwu is God. Okay, na-asị daalụ maka, I give thanks for. Okay, back to the first thing we said, na-enye ekele maka. If you want to put God there, you want to say I thank God for, na-enye Chukwu ekele maka. Na-enye Chukwu ekele maka ezinụlọ m. I thank God for my family. Okay? So I've told you other ways to say it. So where I put daalụ, you can as well put all those things I said. Na-asị imeela maka. Na-asị mama maka. Na-asị deme maka. Na-asị imene maka. Okay? So again, other ways to say thank you in Igbo. Daalụ, imeela, imene, deme, mama. M ga-ede ihe ndị a na description, so don't worry, okay? Ile anya description, ị ga-ahụ ngede ya. You know la? Okay? So that's how to say thank you and give thanks in Igbo. So to the invitation I promised you at the beginning, okay, I'm doing a 3 days free challenge, okay, that's starting tomorrow, 27th of November. So it's going to go through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 27th, 28th, and 29th November. 3 days free challenge, okay? And the topic of that challenge is 3 topics in 3 days. Okay, and we're going to be dealing with the basic topics. So if you're a beginner, okay, the topics will be greetings, introduction, and family. Okay, greetings, introduction, and family. Okay, so I want you to be very grounded in the basics, especially you're a beginner, so that when you then decide to work with me, we won't waste time on those basics anymore. We'll get straight into the more meaty parts of Igbo language. Okay, so introduction, greetings, and family. Okay, it's happening on Facebook. I'll leave a link for you to register if you want to join that challenge. So you need to register, put in your email, put in your name. Okay, you will then get an email that will give you a link. Okay, and there's just 3 questions to answer, and then you come into the group and we go live tomorrow. I've already made the workbook. The workbook is ready. So if you want to join, you need to be joining now. Okay, I'm going to be putting up the calendar soon as well in the Facebook group so that you just know which topics we're doing on which day. Okay, so a 3-day free challenge, 3 topics in 3 days, and those 3 topics are introduction, greetings, and family. Okay, so these are for beginners. Okay, all right. Odema Dalo. So link get in the description, and also the things I have said today about Thanksgiving, get there in the description. All right. One call the O Nasquibo.